Looked but failed to see is a well-known phrase in police crash reports, court cases, that kind of thing in the UK. It describes a driver who genuinely looks but fails to see a distinct hazard, something that's there. So usually that would be a motorcyclist, cyclist, or a pedestrian at a junction, for example, a T-junction. In road safety terms, it's often called a SMIDSI. Sorry, mate, I didn't see you. When we're coming up to a junction, we driver trainers often teach our learners something like look right, look left, look right, something similar. Look left, look. The problem is we have human limitations to our sight. So here's a simple way to help you explain to your drivers what one of the problems is. So if you hold your arm out straight and look into the distance, as soon as you look into the distance, you can see straight through your finger. So this is a problem with humans. Because we're looking through, we don't see the vertical very well. We're much better at seeing horizontal shapes. So you can see straight through your finger, it disappears. And that's exactly what happens with cyclists and motorcyclists at junctions. Our eyes can look straight through them without really seeing them. We need to develop our skills and our skills at helping our drivers scan through junctions. So it's much more of a scan and a slower process rather than left, right, left. There's another thing that happens, is we actually shut our eyes. When you look left, right, left and you do it as a quick thing, we shut our eyes in the process of moving our head from one direction to the other. I think it's something to do with dizziness or just not being able to process the information anyway. And it highlights the couple of problems that we as drivers face and we as driver trainers face. If we can help people, we are going to save a lot of motorcyclists and cyclists injuries and all sorts of horrible things. So we need to help our drivers see more and see more clearly at junctions. Another reason this came up is when I deliver the What's Driving Us course, so it's a police course for drivers who maybe are going too close to cyclists. There's a lot of frustration about the fact that cyclists can go side by side. The thing is, for the cyclists, it's actually safer because they present like that which is more like that which we can't see through. So we're more likely to see side-by-side cyclists at junctions, which is one of the reasons why they're trying to encourage it. So there's a few things going on. Let's help our drivers see more clearly at junctions by knowing what the limitations are with the human and how we can help them learn to get better at it. Okay, thank you guys.